Choose local install media and forward. From this you need to choose Windows 11 ISO, and you can download from the description below. Then forward. I set up my 40 gigs and 2 CPUs, depends on your hardware. I set up 40 gig storage. Forward. Rename it to Windows 11 and tick customize configuration before install. So for the chipset I choose Q35, that works for me. You can choose another one. Firmware I choose this. For SATA disk I change to virtual IO. Advanced option you need to change write back and hypervisor default. Just make sure your CD-ROM is Windows 11 ISO that you choose before. And then we need to add cell CD-ROMs virtual IO. You just need to browse, and I will provide in the description below. So you need to add another hardware KVM to make sure you can install Windows 11. Type emulator model TIS and version 2.0. So bring up as priority and apply. So let's begin the installation. Just make sure you click on screen. So the keyboard you need to choose United States International and then install now. So I don't have a product key, and I think I don't need it. Just choose I don't have a key. Choose Windows 11 that you liked, and then next. From this you need to choose custom and choose load drivers and browse. You need to choose virtual IO Win 0.1. Choose folder AMD64 and Windows 11. Okay. Choose the top one and then next. And it will show you 40 gigs storage that you have set up before. Because of the virtual, you need to choose and browse the virtual I/O to make sure the 40 gig storage is appeared. Fast forward then and set up your Windows until end. And lastly, we need to install driver for Windows. Just open up the virtual I/O again. And install. I choose Windows WinGT x64. Wait a second. And choose install. And then we are done.